Good morning, everyone. This is Suelia from True Value Constructions. And the property which has been displayed here is a 20 by 30 dimension. Ground floor is 2 BHK with 2 bathrooms. First floor is 2 BHK with 2 bathrooms, and second floor this is a master bedroom with attached bathroom. This is a north-facing house. In front of the house is a CA land. I will show you all the descriptions. Please kindly note. The right side, the sheet that you can see is a 4 feet and 24 feet wide CNC sheet with a 3 mm thickness. SS is a 304 grade. It has a stairs with a paragola and 2x4 tiles skirting. And the front elevation 10 is 2x4 with all golden beadings. And you have a meter box with 4 partitions, 2 for meters and 2 for water controller. The tank depth is 8.5 feet depth and 6 into 6 feet wide, and the motors are submersible with 1 HP. And you have a gas pipeline from outside. For both the houses there is a gas pipeline, and you can keep the cylinder outside here within the compound. This is a teak door, 1.5 inch thickness, and the thickness of this wood is 5x4, and you have a texture on one side of the wall. You have a TV cabinet here. You have a false ceiling here. One point is for fan and 2 points are for Zoomer. The switches are Lisha G7. This is the play door, and this is one bedroom, and one bedroom has a texture on one side of the wall. You have a wardrobe here, and you have a attached bathroom here. Attached bathroom has a single piece commode. You have a shower option here. You have a diverter here, and you have a geyser point here, and all these are 2x4 width tiles. And this bathroom door is with steel beading, SS steel beading. Apart from the wardrobe coverage, the free space in this room is 9 by 8. The size of the hall is 10 by 14.5. This is a kitchen. You have Italian cabinet here, and you will get one chimney here. And this is a fiber geyser. You have one solar point, one normal point, and one for water purifier. And this is your passage. Passage is 3 by 7 feet. And you have a attached bathroom here. You have one sink here, shower, diverter, and Indian toilet. And all these tiles that you are seeing here is 2x4 width. And here you have a washing area. This is totally washing area. Washing area has a 3x3 size. You can keep a big washing machine here. And this is the passage that you can see. The passage is 3 by 6 feet wide, and all this is covered with 7 feet height tiles. Once you come here, there is another bedroom here. Even this has one side a texture, the acrylic material. You have wardrobe here. The wardrobe comes with a big mirror. And the available free space in this room is 7 by 9.5. You can look at the design of the door as well. Once again, I will show you the interior of this house. This is a hall, 10 by 14.5 feet width, texture, and false ceiling on one side. Towards your right is a bedroom with wardrobe and attached bathroom. This is the kitchen here. Even kitchen has also 2 by 4 tiles width. This is a fridge point, refrigerator point. This side is a bedroom, and each bedroom has one side acrylic texture material. It is not a powder material, it is an acrylic texture material. And this is the stairs. I will take you to the stairs. This is total Lapotra with 2 by 4 vertical skirting, and this SS is 304 grade. You have 2 grades in SS. One is 202 and 304. 304 is a higher grade version. And this side of the wall you have texture and with the design. And this is your sheet which I had mentioned you earlier. 4 feet wide and 24 feet height. 3 mm sheet. It's a CNC cutting sheet. And here also the whole front elevation of the wall is covered with the 2 by 4 tiles with golden beading for every 2 feet. Let me take you to the first floor, inside interior of the first floor. This is also similar to the ground floor. You have texture on one side. You have fall ceiling here. These are G7 switches. You have a TV cabinet here. You have similar bedroom here with one side texture, and there is no wardrobe here in the first floor. Size of the room is 9 by 10. If you come toward this side, the similar kitchen you have here. It comes with a chimney. The advantage of this house is, in the first floor you have a wash basin here, and you have 2 bathrooms here. One is Indian. This is Indian bathroom. You come toward this side. It is a western bathroom. It has a shower, diverter and single piece commode. And this is also 2 by 4 size tiles. You have wash basin here, and you have total ventilation here. There is no issue in ventilation. I will take you to the second floor now. Similar Lapotra on the stairs. It is a anti-skid. You have a texture here with the design on the one side of the wall and this side of the wall. You have parabola design here with the vertical columns, and this is one master bedroom with attached bathroom. This is a 10 pillar construction. It is a beam centering. It is not a flat centering. It is a beam centering. 10 pillar constructions. 10 and 12 mm rods has been used, and the foundation is a 6 layer. And from foundation till completion, it has been done with Ultratech cement. And this is a vertical granite. As you can see, it is a vertical granite here. If you have any clarification, you can call me on 8884-123497. I repeat, 8884-123497. My name is Suhail from True Value Constructions. This house is for sale, and the front portion, it is a CI land, it is open land. You won't get houses here. It is an open ground. And next to the CI land, you have a very big, huge park here, well maintained park, as you can see. And this is a presentation school, just 500 meters away from this property. And towards our back side is Arnold School, which is around 1 kilometer of distance. And you have a petrol bunk within half a kilometer and Madhap Road. And this property is located in Sadgalli A zone, Mysore. It is very near to Ring Road. It is near to Arnold School. It is very near to Presentation School and very near to petrol bunk. And this is a huge CI land. It is open land here. You will be having full privacy here. There will be no houses opposite to your house. An electric pole is towards the opposite side of the property. And you have a huge road here with all pedestrian path, you can see. And this is a Presentation School, as you can see. Kindly call me on 8884-123497. I repeat, it is A zone facing 20-30 dimension, ground floor 2 BHK with 2 bathrooms, first floor 2 BHK with 2 bathrooms, and second floor 1 bedroom with attached bathroom, and it has 1000-liter 2 water tanks, 2 submersible tanks. It is an automatic water controller. You need to switch on the motor. It will be automatically. It is automatic water controller system is available here, and gas pipeline is outside, and you have CCTV camera installation as well. Kindly contact me on 8884 123497. I repeat, my name is Suhail from True Value Constructions. Thank you.